The next construction that we're going to talk about is circumscribing a circle on a triangle. What that means is that we're going to try to create a circle that's going to go around the triangle, but it's going to hit the triangle at each of these vertices. So that's what we're hoping our end result will look like. Now this is a little bit of a process. It's not a difficult one. It involves a couple of perpendicular bisectors. So we're going to construct a perpendicular bisector on any two segments of this triangle. So I'm going to do this bottom one first. Remember, we want to adjust our compass to be more than halfway. I'm going to create an arc above and an arc below. I'm going to move the compass to the other end of that line segment. I'm going to create an arc above and an arc below. For this example, I'm going to use two different colors to create my lines. The reason why I'm using two colors is because I'm going to actually look to see where these perpendicular bisectors cross each other, where they intersect, because I'm going to use that intersection in a minute. So I'm going to have two different colored lines for this. Now, we can choose either one of these two remaining segments. It does not matter which one you choose. I'm going to do this side. I'm going to create another perpendicular bisector. So I want to make sure that my compass is a little bit more than halfway. I'm going to create an arc above and an arc below. And then I'm going to move to the other end of that line segment, make an intersection with my arcs. Okay. And then I'm going to connect those brand new points that I just created. So there's my second perpendicular bisector. Now, this point right here is key. I'm going to make sure that I put my compass on that point. Then I'm going to adjust the compass so that it matches the width from that point to any one of the vertices. Now, if we did everything right, it doesn't matter which vertice we choose because it's going to hopefully hit each of them. So I'm going to go and just check just to make sure that I'm where I want to be. And everything looks pretty good. All I have to do now is just draw the circle. And there you have it. That is a circumscribed circle on a triangle. Go ahead and practice that one. It doesn't matter what your triangle looks like. You can use a right triangle. You could use an isosceles triangle, scalene like the one that we have here. It doesn't matter. It's going to come out the way that we're looking for anyways, because what we found is we found the center of this particular triangle, and that center means that the distance to each of these vertices is the same, which means that the radius of the circle extends from that center all the way around, and it's going to hit each of these points the way we want it to.